for a minute, let's talk about these bad boys right down here. Okay, these are called scratchers. They bolt onto the frame. This one's kind of iced over right now, but they've got a little carbide pick that comes out on them, and they drag off to the side of the sled. What are they for? What happens is that scratcher kicks the snow into the tunnel and into the track, and that gets kicked up onto the tunnel where you've got like a refrigerator of coolant lines that run through on the bottom of that tunnel. That's what cools your sled down. That's what keeps it cold. So when the snow is hard and you don't have loose snow, you want those scratchers to loosen up the snow and basically direct it into that tunnel so that it cools your sled down. This sled here, I highly recommend these. Okay, just even for normal use. It helps keep my temperature more in control. If I happen to run down the side of a road or whatever, if the trail runs along a road, these things are working. My temperature on my sled does not go up. All right, this had come a little bit loose on me, and the carbide tip wasn't digging into the snow, and I had a bit of a heating problem once this year. I reset the carbide tips on here. Even though it's 30 degrees yesterday when we rode, I had no problem with the temp on my sled. It didn't heat up at all. And so this year we're really starved for snow. Matter of fact, tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock they close the trails here again. But this, yesterday, the day before, we put 70 miles on the day before, these scratchers, they're not that expensive. You put them on, you leave them on, they're working all the time to keep the sled temperature more steady. Highly recommend it. That's my tip for today. Hit that like and subscribe button, please. Check out my other videos that I have. Would appreciate it. We got like 400 of them out there now. And enjoy the rest of the channel. Have a great day. Take care.